Found some cool elevators. So is that William Center building? I think that's the name in Tucson. I have a delivery here, so. That's a service elevator, you can't write that. So if I get busted, I can just say that I have a delivery. Let's get off at 6. I'll take one more ride and we'll get off at B. Oh, it's a parking garage here. Cool, yeah, I'm gonna get off here at P. Let's get off at P. US elevators in a high-rise building are really hard to find these days. This is a really cool elevator. Usually I find these in low rises. Well, this is a mid-rise building. It's not really a high-rise. We're gonna get off at P, and we're gonna do my delivery afterwards.